NTPC Renewable Energy Limited has issued an invitation for bids for the engineering, procurement and construction package for the development of a 550 megawatt, 1 times 550 megawatt, grid-connected solar photovoltaic project near Shimbu Ka Burj, Rajasthan. The tender has been floated under domestic competitive bidding with IFB number NRE-CS-5823-004. SOL-9. Shri Gurdeep Singh, who is currently serving as Chairman and Managing Director of NTPC Limited, has been assigned additional charge as Chairman of Damodar Valley Corporation with effect from June 1, 2026. He visited the DVC headquarters in Kolkata during his official visit, where he reviewed operational activities and held discussions with senior executives of the corporation. Punjab National Bank has been honoured with 3 Platinum Awards at the Infosys Finacle Innovation Awards 2026, recognizing the bank's efforts in digital transformation, product innovation, and customer-centric banking solutions. The awards were conferred for 3 key initiatives: PNB One Super App under the Business Innovation category, Treasury Transformation under the Corporate Banking Innovation category, Krishi Tatkal Rin under the Product Innovation category. NLC India Renewables Limited emerged as the biggest winner in Solar Energy Corporation of India's 1,200 megawatts ISTS tranche 21 solar plus battery energy storage system auction, securing 600 megawatts capacity at a discovered tariff of 3.12 rupees per kilowatt hour. The auction attracted strong participation from leading renewable energy developers, with SECI allocating the entire 1,200 megawatt capacity under the Interstate Transmission System Connected Solar Plus BESS scheme. In a significant development for India's mining and metal sector, senior executives of Hindustan Copper Limited met Coal India Limited Chairman and Managing Director Shri B. Sairam to review ongoing strategic initiatives, including copper projects being pursued in collaboration with Chile's state-owned mining giant, Codelco. ONGC has announced a recruitment drive for retired executives, inviting applications for 37 consultant positions in its well services department at Ahmedabad Asset. The engagement is aimed at supporting workover operations on charter-hired and O&M-operated rigs. The company is looking for retired professionals from production, drilling, mechanical, electrical, and instrumentation disciplines who have hands-on experience in drilling or workover field operations. Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited is on the verge of securing one of the biggest warship contracts in recent years. The Kolkata-based defence shipyard is keenly awaiting the final approval from the Cabinet Committee on Security and the subsequent signing of the contract for the next generation corvettes project for the Indian Navy. Bharat Forge Limited, one of India's leading forging and engineering companies, has announced the record date for payment of its final dividend for the financial year 2025-26. The company will pay a final dividend of 6 rupees and 50 paise per equity share, face value 2 rupees each, that is 325%, subject to approval by shareholders at the ensuing annual general meeting. Bharat Forge has fixed Friday, July 3, 2026 as the record date to determine the shareholders eligible to receive the final dividend. IIFL Finance Limited has approved the pricing and issuance of $500 million fixed-rate senior secured notes under its $1 billion Global Medium-Term Note Program, strengthening its international funding base and supporting future business growth. The company's finance committee approved the pricing, tenure, and key terms of the issue during its meeting held on June 3, 2026. The notes will be issued under Regulation S/or Rule 144A of the U.S. Securities Act 1933. Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited has been honoured with the Best IT Implementation Project Award at the 11th Governance Now PSUIT Awards, reinforcing the defence shipbuilders' position as a leader in digital transformation among public sector enterprises. The award was presented on May 29, 2026 at a ceremony held in New Delhi by Anurag Thakur.